Hello everyone, welcome back to Pronku's Pipe Smoking Den. I'm Pronku, I'm in my den, and today I'm going to make an unboxing straight from Savinelli because I couldn't find the model that I was looking for, so I had to order it straight from Savinelli's website. And we're talking about the Savinelli Eleganza billiard shape. And I thought, well, let's make an unboxing to see how Savinelli ships and packs their stuff and the quality of the pipe. So let's do it. Let's see. What do we have here? It's a beautiful box. Wish I could keep it if it wasn't for this. Okay. Oh, another box. No, it's a big box without having too much in it. So here we have it. And now let's see the pipe. Okay, nice. We have a little filter. It's not a balsa filter, curiously, but we have here all quality control. Nice. Okay. And now let's see the pipe. Okay. I think I'll have to put it somewhere. Oh, here. Because it has more light. Look at it. Look how beautiful it is. So it's a Savinelli Eleganza billiard. It's 111 KS, and I ordered it with a 9mm filter, because I had to choose between 6mm and here's the balls. I had to choose between 6mm and 9mm. Beautiful. I can't wait to put this to the test. Sorry for the bad angle that I'm filming from, but yeah, here it is. Let me put it again at some light. Nice. That's it. Big fan of Savinelli. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video, and in the future videos I will most probably smoke this. So anyway, take care, and happy puffing. Now okay, I'm back because I was looking further at this pipe. Let me put some light. Hold on. By the way, it's super light. It's super light. It's feather, but there's a little problem. The drill hole is not centered, if you can see, and I'm not sure what I should do. Should I return it? Should I keep it? Is it that much of a deal? I don't know. It's more on the right side, if you can see. Let me put focus here. It's on the right side, so it's not a straight drill. But yeah, I don't know. Oh, and by the way, please tell me your thoughts. What blends should I smoke in this beautiful baby? Because I was thinking about some English blends, but if I take it outside at the terrace or whatever where there are people, I don't want to disturb people with a nasty Latakia smell, so I don't know. Anyway, that was it. Pronku over and out. Take care and happy puffin'.